Hi everyone, so this is Miss Collins, aka Miss Tell Like It Is for you T, and this is a special video that I'm making for someone particularly, and that is for this person by the name of, I think her name is TENVEILS or VEILS or whatever her name is. Okay, I noticed that she made a video about me, and I noticed in her title it says Miss Tell Like It Is 48 the T, and it said something about her video was something about I don't understand how come she's going through all of this, blah 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 blah, and I don't see any paper trail, and I don't see any this, that, and the third. Okay, the reason why I'm saying that this video is about me, because she also called my last name, and that is Miss Collins, and that is fine. However, to Miss TENVEILS, before you question, you need to ask me. And no, I'm not on the video. No, I'm not on YouTube seeking assistance. No, I'm not. I'm on YouTube. The reason why I'm on YouTube is because I am making other residents aware. Okay, my videos are awareness videos. Okay, which is the reason why the videos that I make are real-time videos. Okay, they're not videos that happened decades and decades ago. They're real-time videos, videos that are happening at that same second, minute, at that very hour. Okay, so when you say that you don't see any paper trail and you don't see any this and that, you don't need to see any paper trail. Okay, who are you? I also understand that you made a statement that you are an advocate and that you partnered with one of NYCHA's senior level staff. Well, what senior level was that? Okay, because for every senior level that you partnered with and for every senior level that you claim you worked with, I've contacted them and they've contacted me. So yes, these individuals, yes, they have seen my videos. Excuse my room because there's a lot going on here. These individuals, yes, they have seen my videos. Yes, they have reached out to me. Okay, yes, I have sat with my elected officials. Yes, sat with certain elected officials and spoke with them. I spoke with them via phone conversation and I spoke with them directly. So when you, Miss Vile, or whatever your name is, TENVEILS, when you say, I don't understand why she's going through this, all by herself, what makes you think I'm going through this all by myself? What gives you the impression that I'm going through this all by myself? Because I'm not going through this all by myself. I am not. And you said that you've been binging on my videos. You haven't been binging enough. Because if you have been binging on my videos, you would see the documentation in regards to my HP actions, which reflects what development I live in. You stated that I should make, or I should state what development I'm living in. Only those that need to know what development I'm living in. And trust me, they know. So, just to answer your question, I need you to hear this. Give me 1 second. See this? Okay, hold on. Hold on. I want you to hear this. Okay, listen to this.
Hi, good afternoon. Calling from Sharon Collins, calling from the office of the public advocate. You can give me a call back at 212-669-7675. Thank you. Tuesday,
now,
1:40.
Listen again.
Hi, good afternoon. Calling from Sharon Collins, calling from the office of the public advocate. You can give me a call back at 212-669-7675. Thank you. Tuesday, 3:57.
Okay. Did you hear that? Yes. That is a call that I received from my public advocate. And that's not the first call that I've received from the office of my public advocate. I've received calls from my congressman, from the office of my congressman. I've received calls from the office of my assemblywoman. I received calls I spoke to. So when people want to pass judgment on me and say, oh, I don't see this and I don't see that and I don't understand, and you have to make your connections and you have to know what you're talking about. You need to, like, get your facts together. Don't judge me. You don't know anything about me. Me and you haven't talked. Me and you haven't sat down. Me and you haven't had any type of conversation or discussion regarding what I am doing or what I've done. Okay? Why other residents aren't saying anything? Maybe because they have their reasons why they're not saying anything or why they're not doing anything. In terms of what's going on in their apartment, yeah, they got a lot of issues. Yes, they do. Yes, they do. And the reason why a lot of these individuals, another reason why a lot of individuals aren't saying anything is because they don't know. They are unaware. They didn't know that they was doing an asbestos abatement on this building. They didn't know anything. There was nothing posted during the onset of this abatement and the drilling, whatever. I had to go to these individuals and ask them, what are you doing? You're doing a what? You're doing an asbestos. Who? Where's the postings? Where's the notification? Nothing was sent out to any of the residents in this building. And I made a video of that too, with me talking to a young lady on the street, on the sidewalk. And I asked her, I said, did you receive any notice in regards to any abatement that was done in 2010? She said no. I said, did you know anything about a 2015 abatement? She said no. This building does not have a tenant association, let alone a tenant president, let alone a tenant watch. It does not. So don't make no videos about me concerning what I'm going through and what I'm doing unless you know me, unless you spoke to me directly, unless you came to me and saw my paperwork. And there's no way I'm going to show you or anyone my paperwork unless I know that you are in a position that where you can do something, or you have to have a legal background or whatever. Otherwise, you don't need to see nothing. You don't need to see my... Who are you, Miss TENVEILS? Okay, you and anyone like you. My videos are to bring awareness that there's more that's going on within these developments than meets the eye. That's right. There's more. And for your little FYI, Miss TENVEILS, in terms of me taking New York City Housing Authority to court, yes, I'm pissed off. So excuse me, I'm fumbling with my words because I'm pissed off and you have no right. This is for you, Miss TENVEILS. I'm going to make sure I put it there where it belongs. The staff of New York City Housing Authority, they're the ones who instructed me in terms of taking legal action against NYCHA. Yes, the staff. They are the ones who offered me information and documentation as far as where to go and what to do. My family, everyone in my family worked for the government or for the city. My son, Jacob, his father works for the city. That's right. He works for the courts. As far as me, you don't want to know. Only a few people know what I do for a living, where my income comes from. Only a few people know. And those that know are the only ones who need to know. So don't ask for no paper trail, because you're not in any type of position to ask me for anything. You are not in public office. You are not a NYCHA staff. You are a NYCHA resident. You're a resident. So if you're not going to do nothing, don't say nothing. And that's my statement to you. Okay? Thank you. And have a nice day.